शांति सद्भाव के फूल खिलते हो दोस्तों, उसी सरजमी का नाम हिंदुस्तान है। एक बार मैं आगे की कार्रवाई के लिए ओसिन शर्मा को मंच पर आमंत्रित करता हूँ।
Respected chief guest, guest of honor, all the dignitaries, guests, parents and teachers, and our enthusiastic students. A warm welcome to all of you on behalf of Out of Post. Now, without any further delay, let us start the programs. This morning belongs to you and your children, the children who have put their heart and soul to make the event look possible. So, give a big round of applause to these little children who are eager to rock the stage with their action dance.
What a lovely and energetic performance by these children, who had put their heart and soul into the dance, a rapid fire of steps. Now, I would like to hand over the stage to Mukesh Nia sir for further proceeding.
थैंक यू बच्चों, बहुत अच्छी प्रस्तुति। बच्चों और विद्यालय का यह उत्सव है और है आपके सम्मान का। स्वागत कहाँ पूरा होता है जब तक उद्बोधन ना आए। जब अब मैं इन्हीं पंक्तियों के साथ केंद्रीय विद्यालय निगम व्यू के प्राचार्य श्री योगराज जी से निवेदन करना चाहूंगा कि वे मंच पर आए और मुख्य अतिथि महोदय, विशिष्ट अतिथि महोदय तथा अन्य सभी प्रतिष्ठित सम्मानित अतिथियों का स्वागत करें हृदय से और विद्यालय की वार्षिक रिपोर्ट पढ़कर
ये वादी हवा ये वादी हवा मेहमान जो हमारे आए हैं, मेहमान जो हमारे आए हैं, कलियाना बिछाना गाँव में कब से हम नजर बिछाए हैं, कब से हम नजर बिछाए हैं। Most distinguished chief guest Shri Arvind Singh Sari, Deputy Commissioner Kinnaur, Guest of honor Shri Rahul Ji, Chairman nominee Vidyalaya Management Committee, Kendriya Vidyalaya Compio, respected members of Vidyalaya Management Committee, principals from various schools, Deputy Director, Higher Education, head of various departments of District Kinnaur, parents, person from press, media, and my dear students, very good morning to one and all present here. I deem it my pleasure in extending a warm welcome to our distinguished chief guest, Shri Abid Hussain Sadiq Ji, Deputy Commissioner Kinnaur, for his kind gesture of blessing the annual day celebration with his glorious presence. I feel privileged in welcoming our guest of honor, Shri Rahul Ji, all esteemed guests, invited, parents, media person, on this auspicious occasion. I am confident that your blessings and good wishes will ignite a new spirit of commitment and dedication in our Vidyalaya family. I now wish to place before this august gathering the annual report of the Vidyalaya for the academic session 2021-22. Kendriya Vidyalaya Compio had its inception in year 2003, and since then it has been growing in same stature and has now blossomed into a model Vidyalaya with classes up to 12 and with a student strength about 620 and having 40 dedicated staff at present. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan have four-fold mission: to cater the educational need of children of transferable central government employees, including defense and paramilitary personnel, by providing a common pattern of education; to pursue excellence and set the pace in field of school education; to initiate and promote experimentation and innovation in education education in collaboration with other bodies like CBSE and NCERT. To develop a spirit of national integration and to create a sense of Indianness among the children. We adopt scientific tools by planning for future. We assess our existing resources, keeping in mind future strength. We live in present, we dream of future, but we learn eternal truth from the past. I am confident that with a well-charted action plan, supported by elements of sincerity and devotion of teachers, we shall once again prove that our system is capable of imparting quality education. In every sphere of activity, we take meticulous care of well-defined objectives, and Kendriya Vidyalaya Reform Bureau has always been a pioneer in this field. In academics, we have proved our work time and again, and our board results are qualitatively and quantitatively comparable to the best schools in our country. शाम सूरज को ढलना सिखाती है, शाम सूरज को ढलना सिखाती है, क्षमा परवाने को जलना सिखाती है, क्षमा परवाने को जलना सिखाती है। गिरने वालों को होती तो है तकलीफ पर, गिरने वालों को होती तो है तकलीफ पर, धोकर खा के ही इंसान चलना सीखता है। We go through our work with our sustained efforts and well-planned strategies in coordination with our higher authorities in extending quality education to our students through online mode during extremely difficult time of COVID-19 global corona pandemic. Each and every student of Kendriya Vidyalaya was given G-Suite ID and password for attending online classes through Google Classroom to avoid any kind of outside intimidation during the online classes. Our teachers proved their technological expertise and experience by proficiently using ICT tools while taking online classes. It was ensured that each and every student was reached out during online classes. As a result, we had record 201 fresh admission in all classes during a single session last week. Our students performed exceedingly well in CBSE board examination with 100% result both in class 10 and 12. The objective of Kendriya Vidyalaya not only lies in imparting the best education but also in developing the overall personality of child through our co-curricular activities which plays a vital role in augmenting interaction and active participation. Apart from academics, our students are also given ample opportunity to take part in numerous activities under various flagship programs like Ek Bharat Shresh Bharat, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Foundation Literacy and Numeracy, and events like regional and national games and sports, Junior Math Olympiad, Junior Science Olympiad, Science Exhibition, Children's Science Congress, Social Science Exhibition, in which our students have performed reasonably well. Our student Muskan Niki of class 12 got first position in singing competition at regional level, social science exhibition and represented Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan competition at the national level competition. Navneet Sharma of our Vidyalaya bagged second position at regional level science exhibition held virtually. In National Children's Science Congress, Vinita Rana of class 10 was laurel by Gorat Vidyalaya securing first position at regional level. Present teaching learning process is completely based on ICT. We have well-equipped resource room for primary classes. Every week there is a film show on moral values for primary classes. Students of our Vidyalaya participated in first and second Sopan of Scout and Guide. Class 6 completed first Sopan, class 7 completed second Sopan. We celebrated 22nd February 2022 birth of God and tolerance as Thinking Day, and students participated in this event with great enthusiasm. On every Wednesday, all Scout and Guide, Cubs and Global, Cam Indian, uniform and a separate morning assembly is organized for them. Not only students, our teachers have been given appreciation letter for excellent results by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan at headquarters. Now regarding construction of Vidyalaya building, it gives me immense pleasure to inform all the stakeholders of Vidyalaya. The construction of new Vidyalaya building has been progress for past 2 years. Although progress of construction was hampered a bit by outbreak of COVID-19, but now construction work has been resumed at firm footing, and we are expecting that within next 2 years, our students will get a grand school building well equipped with all modern technological infrastructure. I sincerely thank the district administration in all associated agencies such as Department of Animal Husbandry, Forest Department, FPWD, Electricity Department, Jal Shakti Vibhag and Revenue Department for their all-out cooperation in accomplishing the dream of new Vidyalaya building. I once again like to take this opportunity to extend a very hearty welcome to one and all present here and hope that you will appreciate the modest effort of our small children who have really worked hard in presenting of this colorful culture program. As always, I earnestly request you not to judge the small children. If you judge them, you will have no time to love them. We know that nothing would be done at all in this world if a man waited until he could do it so well that no one find fault with it. I hope you will appreciate our humble effort. बेहतर से बेहतर की तलाश करो, बेहतर से बेहतर की तलाश करो, मिल जाए नदी तो समुद्र की तलाश करो, मिल जाए नदी तो समुद्र की तलाश करो, टूट जाता है शीशा पत्थर की चोट से, टूट जाता है शीशा पत्थर की चोट से, टूट जाए पत्थर ऐसा शीशा तलाश करो। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you sir for your words. तो भावेश क्या कहते हो, अगर आपको पंजाब घूमने जाना हो तो क्या करोगे? सबसे पहले मैं पीओ बस स्टैंड जाऊंगा, बस पे अपनी सीट कंफर्म करूंगा और वहां से चंडीगढ़ उतरूंगा, आगे की यात्रा करूंगा। फिर मिलेंगे मुझे लहराते हुए खेत कल्याण, गीतों की धुन पे नाचते पंजाबी।